All right, all right. Welcome back. Well, for this test, this is the sound direction test. Um, Basically, what I'm going to do for this one, I'm going to blindfold myself, um, and I'm going to try to figure out where this chicken is in relation to me. So, um, and not really distance this time. It's going to be whether or not he's behind me to the left or right or all that stuff. So I'm going to blindfold myself, spin around, stop, and then try to figure out where that chicken is. And yeah, here we go. And no, I'm like not cheating, or this is the only way I can figure out how to do this without like seeing the screen or anything. So I could really care less whether or not you what headphones you buy. I mean, it would be sweet if Tritton sent me a pair of free headphones, or if Astro or somebody did, but I highly doubt that will ever happen. So yeah, so this is just me trying to figure out where this chicken is, and sit back and let's see if you enjoy this. Here we go. This is the Tritton ax360s. Okay, that chicken is to the left of me, like hard left, where I don't even think it's hard left. Like I could maybe not even see it. It's gonna be like on the far, far left. Let's see. Yep, can't see it, and there he is. So yeah, um, that time so far so good. I was 100% accurate. I couldn't see him, and he was just to the left. All right, let's try it again. Maybe do three tests for every set. Let's do it. That boy, he sounds to me like he is to the left, almost in the same spot, but behind me. Sounds like he's to the left, hard left, and right behind me. Ooh, quite the opposite. To the left and in front of me. All right, well, I can say for this set, I probably should have gone through and adjusted all the channels and fixed the time delay and all that. I did not go through the hassle of doing that. So I'm sure maybe if you tweaked that a little bit, you might be able to get it to where it's a little more precise. So anyways, let's try it again. Okay. He is to the right. Sounds like he's hard right. Like he's definitely not on my screen, and he's to the far right of me. Ah, that he was not on my screen. I think I was about here. So yeah, hard right. There he is. All right. So yeah, got 2 out of 3 with this headset. I wish I was more like somewhere where I'm going to spin it around. Let me see. Try to do it one more time. I want to see if I can determine whether or not it is like indeed behind me. Head. Alright, well, tell you what, I'm going to spin it until it is behind me. Let's try that. I'm going to say they are exactly, perfectly behind me right now. Oh, quite the opposite. They are exactly, perfectly in front of me. Oh, there you have it. That's the AX Pros. I thought they would perform a little bit better than that. Like I said, you know, it's all about playing with that time delay. It's on there for a reason. So maybe once you got that together, they would perform a little bit better. Yeah. Well, all right. Let's move on to the next set.
Team deathmatch. Let's do this. It's a draw. Stand down.
Sine sweep from 20 kilohertz to 20 cycles.